Spray shaving foam directly onto your cleaning brush, and you will never, ever believe the results. Seriously, stop wasting your hard-earned money on toxic, overpriced bathroom cleaners that do nothing but burn your lungs and leave your grout looking just as dingy as before. If you're still scrubbing your hands raw with bleach sprays, frankly, you're doing it wrong. Today, we are using a basic, cheap can of regular shaving foam. I know it sounds completely ridiculous, and half of you are probably ready to swipe away. Don't, because what this cheap foam does to stubborn, deep-set bathroom grime in exactly 3 minutes is going to make you question every cleaning product currently sitting under your sink. Look at this corner: soap scum, hard water buildup, and that nasty orange-black mildew starting to invade the silicone caulk. It looks permanent, right? Standard sprays just run right off this vertical tile line before they can actually penetrate the grime. But here's the professional secret. Shaving cream is actually a highly concentrated, dense formulation of potassium soaps, emulsifiers, and surfactants. It's designed to cling, soften, and lift organic material. Because it's a thick foam, it doesn't run off. It sits right on top of the stain, forcing the active cleaning agents to penetrate deep into the porous surface. Watch how we apply this. We aren't spraying it wildly. We lay down a thick, continuous bead of shaving foam directly onto the nastiest parts of the caulk line. Now take your finger and smear it flat. You want to compress that foam directly into the corners, sealing it against the grime. If you think this is just going to wash away without doing anything, just wait. We are going to let this sit. No scrubbing yet. Just let the chemistry do the heavy lifting while you sit back. If your current bathroom cleaner can't do this without making you wear a respirator, it's time to throw it in the trash. Now that it has had time to break down the surface tension, we bring in the brush. I'm putting an extra layer of foam right onto the bristles of this scrub brush to act as a lubricant. As we scrub, notice how the foam isn't just disappearing. It's actively trapping the loosened dirt, mold spores, and soap scum inside its bubble structure. You don't even need to use extreme pressure. The surfactants in the shave foam have already done 90% of the work. If you're still sweating and hurting your back to clean your shower, you are simply working too hard. And now, the moment of truth. Let's rinse it clean. Look at that. Pure, bright, sparkling white. No leftover orange residue. No black spots, and absolutely zero chemical fumes lingering in the air. A spotless shower for literally pennies. So are you going to keep buying those toxic chemical sprays? Or are you finally going to try this? Grab a cheap can of shaving foam. Try it on your worst shower corner tonight. And come back to tell me in the comments how shocked you were by the results. Don't forget to hit follow for more home tips that actually work. Stop settling for a dirty bathroom, and stop letting greedy cleaning brands drain your wallet. The proof is right here. It's cheap, it's fast, and it works. Now stop scrolling. Go grab that can of shaving foam, and go save your shower right now. You can thank me in the comments later. Class dismissed.